So now you will be starting the capture here. All the packets, you see all that this is being captured now from your. I am capturing it from Kali Linux. Then I will stop. Let me stop this. Okay. So whatever is happening inside the network, it will show. See it here. PTR AI point. Who has 10.145.253.67 tell? So it is asking, okay, who is having that. Then the protocol ARP. This is MDNS. Okay. So if I ping it, let me put it. Okay. What is this IP address? ifconfig. So even Shrutik also has Wireshark. Okay. So I will ping this IP address, okay, from outside, and you can see that you will get that response there. Ping. What is that IP? 10.145.253.64. 253.64. Okay. I will put continuous ping T. Okay. So let me start here. Okay. Start the Wireshark. Okay. Continue without saving. Now I will ping it. Okay. You see, ICMP, it is replying me. Okay. So I am putting it here, it is replying me. Okay. So let me stop this. Okay. How to do ping of death, Shrutik? Okay. The Wireshark will give you this type of details. So this is very advanced tool. Okay, Wireshark. So once you know the network concepts, then only you will be understanding all this, how to do all these activities. Okay. So if you want to learn, you can learn it. Okay, but it will be very complicated to understand it. Okay. So just to understand the ICMP only, let's say this is the length, then you will have sequence also. This is your frame, this much bytes, all that you will be seeing it there. Okay. So this is going to give you these details, all that details. So here exfiltration is data. So if somebody is transferring huge data outside, okay, in Wireshark it will show. Okay. So what data you are sending it to some other IP address. This is your source and you are sending it to some target here. So you see some target IP address 239, all that. Okay. So that you will understand, like someone is pulling our data from outbound transfer, means outside it is going the data. So then C2 communication is your command center. So somebody has taken complete control of your what is that, your computer or laptop. So it has become a command center, means if they give some command, it will automatically respond to that. So you will see that pattern, how that communication is happening. Inside that Wireshark, you will see that. Okay. So then for lateral movement, whether it is connecting to any other ports like SNMB port or 330, 3389 or 5985, it will be checking those ports. That's how you will see it uh, if there is any hacking is happening or any suspicion. Then you have flow data. Flow data is, you will see how that network traffic is being recorded. So you will not analyze the complete network just like we have done. It will give you the summarized report. Okay. So what exactly it is going, how you are connecting. So this will give you an overview of it. Okay. So these are the protocols. Okay. So you can use it for analyzing. nfdump. So let me type nfdump in Kali Linux. If it works, let's see. So I am downloading and installing that nfdump.